8 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 68. Can you find the value of x? And x can have only real solution. This will make the question much easier. Now let's try. 8 to the power x, we can write it as 2 to the power 3, then whole to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 68. Now we know when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n, and with the rule of interchange we can also write it as a raised to the power n whole raised to the power m. Therefore we can write it as 2 to the power x whole to the power 3, then plus 2 to the power x, subtract 68 from both the sides, so it will be 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x minus 68 is equal to 0. Now let's consider 2 to the power x is equal to t. In that case we have t cube plus t minus 68 is equal to 0. Now how to factorize it? Now factors for 68 will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 17 and plus minus 34. So let's say we take value of t as 1, but that will not satisfy this equation, it is not equal to 0. If we take t is equal to plus minus 2, then also it is not equal to 0. What if we take t is equal to plus minus 4? If we take t is equal to 4, then it is 4 cube plus 4 minus 68, it is 68 minus 68 is equal to 0. That means the one factor for t is t minus 4 for this equation, and another should be something that should be equal to 0, 2 factors. Now how to factorize it? Let's write, if we write t cube and add here minus 4t square plus 4t square, it is equal to 0, so no difference in the equation, plus for t as minus 16t plus 17t, it is equal to t minus 68 is equal to 0. Now let's write this together, t cube minus 4t square plus 4t square minus 16t plus 17t minus 68 is equal to 0. Now let's take here t square common and write t minus 4 plus 4t common, so t minus 4 plus 17 common, t minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this t minus 4 is the common factor, so one of the factor will be t minus 4 and then t square plus 4t plus 17 is equal to 0. Now that means when t minus 4 is equal to 0, t is equal to 4, and when t square plus 4t plus 17 is equal to 0. Now here we can find the roots for t by using the discriminant formula, where a is 1, the coefficient of t square, b is 4, coefficient of t, and c is equal to 17. In that case t is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So using this formula we can find the other two roots. However, we have to find only real solution. To check whether real solution is possible or not, we need to find whether b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 or not to get a real solution. B here is 4, so 4 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 17. So 4 square is 60 minus 68. It is less than 0. That means here no real solution. So we have t is equal to 4 and t we considered as 2 to the power x. That means 2 to the power x is equal to 4, or 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2. Now we know when a to the power m is equal to a to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 2. In that case m is equal to n. So that gives us x is equal to 2. only real solution for x is 2. You can check this solution. 8 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 2, it should be equal to 68. 8 square is 64, 2 square is 4, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 2. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.